Hello soulmate, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video you'll be learning how to cut and sew this stunning triangular BUBU top. This is a very easy tutorial that you can cut and sew within 30 minutes. Yes, I mean 30 minutes. So if this sounds like what you are interested in, please continue watching now till the end of the video and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. So these are leftover fabrics from my previous projects, so I decided to use it. So you can use crepe, soft crepe, you can use silk, you can use satin, you can use chiffon or duchess. All these fabrics comes in by 60 inches length. So for a medium size like me, all you need is 1 yard. For a plus size, you need 1.5 yard for this. So I picked my 32 by 32 inches fabric. I folded in a triangular form like this, leaving me to work on 3 triangles. The first triangle is for the neckline, the second for the sleeve opening, and the third triangle is for the top length. Now here I'm just going to impute 6.5. If you are a plus size, you can use 7.5 to 8 inches. But it is better to fold and then to record than having it too wide. So I'm just going to impute that there. You know, crepes and silk chiffon are funny. When you open it up, it becomes so wide, so it's better to play safe here. So I came down from this point by 1.5. Then I'm just going to connect that to my shoulder as shown. So now the next thing you're going to do is to work on the second triangle. Take your sleeve width measurements. For mine, I'm just going to be working with 14. 14 divided by 2, I have 7, and I'm going to add 1 inch stitching allowance to that. And then I'm just going to impute that there. Go ahead to cut it like you see me doing. Now, do not forget, here is our neckline, here is our shoulder, here is our sleeve opening. Now guys, you are just going to start coming upward from this point till you get to a point where you have your hip measurement plus 1. So for me, I have hip 44 divided by 4 plus 1. So I will impute that there and then place a notch at that point that I have marked, like so. Now go ahead to impute your length like you see me doing here. So for me, I have a length 33 to work with. Now I will place this on my second part, which is going to serve as my back pattern or my front pattern, either ways. So I'll cut the exact same way I have cut this, and I will notch this part of my hip line. Okay, the front and back patterns are ready. The next part is to place this front and back pattern together, right side facing. So I will go ahead to stitch down the shoulders on both sides by 1/2 inch. Up next, I went ahead to use a bias to turn my neckline. And after that, I went to my sleeve opening. I'm just going to open this part up like this, then fold in 1/2 inch first, then another 1/2 inch. Then I'm just going to stitch that down. So after I finished the sleeve opening, I just went ahead to take my side seam allowances and stopped on the notched part. Then I folded these hem lines and I stitched that down. And we are through. I know you will agree with me that this is a very short tutorial. I mean, in less than 30 minutes, we have made a dress. I mean, a top rather. So please stay tuned for more videos like this. And do not forget to drop some beautiful comments for your baby girl or an emoji in the comment section, just so that the algorithm would push this video to a wider audience. And thanks for always stopping by to see my videos, and thanks for engaging. I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.